time, everybody, make some noise for Sean O.
Well, once again, happy 4th of July to everybody. Jacofolia, Guy Burnett, my name is Sean Navarro. Mahalo for coming to, of course, Moana Center. We'd like to leave you with this song. This song was originally recorded by a group called Oamana, written by Auntie Ellen DeFries. The song talks about the love she had for this group. I also recorded this on my homegrown Hawaiian CD, and so let's look at this. Well, but before we do, also like to send this song to a very special person who we lost a couple of weeks ago. I had the privilege to record this song in the studio with Makaha Sons. I would like to say aloha to Uncle John, Coco. We love you, Uncle John.
Yeah.
Once again, Brother John, hopefully that prayer is going to be Sean and Ron. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Aloha!
Everybody, that was Onolicious, everybody. One more time. Round of applause for all the entertainment here at Center Stage. Earlier we had Nelly Ali Kamau and of course, Sean Not Well.